The biggest iPhone update is here, iOS 18. It's got new home screen customization, voice commands, and even a brand new control panel. So let me show you everything new coming to your iPhone. One of the most mind-blowing new features you just have to try for yourself is that you can now control your iPhone with just your eyes. It is so crazy. To do this, you just need to head into your settings, then scroll down to accessibility, and scroll down again until you see eye tracking. Just toggle this on, then place your phone down onto something like a phone stand because it'll actually ask you to follow these dots with your eyes so it can learn their movement. It's super simple and doesn't take very long at all. Now you can literally look at anything on your screen. It'll snap to it and then select it for you. It is just